how are you? Commander 64 here. Happy Easter! I'm going to do another gameplay video now, and I need an egg pun counter, so I'll just pop one somewhere. Okay, excellent. That seems to be working nicely. I will start off by saying, if you're new to the channel, thanks for checking me out. And if you've been here before, great, thanks for coming back again. The channel's divided into different playlists, and you've reached the retro gaming section. Today we're going to do a let's play video of Dizzy on the Commodore 64. In particular, it's going to be Dizzy Fantasy World, which is my personal favourite. On a Competition Pro joystick, and I'm going to be wearing these just for fun. This is really uncomfortable, by the way. I mean, really uncomfortable. I did have this game when I was about 7. I didn't get very far on it, but I do remember the beginning bit. So I can get through this first few rooms, I think, pretty easy. Something that may have escaped your attention here is that after I've gone through the effort of wearing Dizzy's trademark boxing gloves and putting my beloved Competition Pro joystick at risk of damage, he hasn't had the decency to share the burden with me. The git's taken his gloves off. Now that's the kind of discourtesy that really hard boils my skin. Oh well. I'm not sure why he even wears boxing gloves in the first place. I mean, I've never actually seen Dizzy punch somebody. I mean, why not just say he's also a plumber, but never shown doing any plumbing, just, I don't know, eating magic mushrooms and murdering turtles. Oh, wait, somebody did that. Well, I'm in the castle's dungeon at the moment, as you can see, and I think I can give this goblin guarding that door an apple, but I can't see an apple anywhere. Ah, right, so if you push fire, that opens your inventory, and I've got an apple in there. Don't worry, I'm not going to explain everything to you, because that will probably be like teaching my grandma to suck eggs. Oi! Where do you think you're going? Oh, chucks me away. Fresh apple. You give the apple to the troll. For me? You're so generous. I'd like to let you pass, but if the king found out, he'd torture me. But you could escape through the fire using the water. So it gives you a tip. He's a helpful guy, that troll. He's not so bad. He's a good egg. So I've got the bread, and I pick up the jug of water, exit and don't drop. Oh yeah, that's it. Just got to get just close enough to the water there, not to touch it, and then select the jug of water. You throw the jug of water onto the fire, and the flames are quickly quenched. Right, I've got to jump up here. Wow, he just keeps spinning, doesn't he? Jump up that bit. And then... no. Wow, he likes to do somersaults. Oh! Right, and now if I go here and drop the loaf of bread. No. Drop the loaf of bread. Then get out of the way. The rat takes the bread. The ravenous rat eats the loaf and runs away. Excellent. And this is about as far as I could get. Well, this is as much as I can remember anyway. Oh, look. See that picture on the wall there, that green picture? That is the loading screen for the first Dizzy game, I think. Pretty sure it is. He's in the water going, ah! And there's like a big Monkey Island type mountain behind him. There's some steps. Okay, oh, is that a coin? Well done. You found a coin. Oh. Did there were other things to buy? I wonder what I can shell out my money on. Oh. Okay. It's just a big hole in the floor. Bottle of whiskey. Nice. You find the whiskey too tempting to drop and so drink it. Okay. Oh! No! He's doing things! Hey! Dizzy! Hey! What's going on? Stop walking to the left! Hey! Oh my god, he's drunk. No. Where are you going? Dizzy, no! Dizzy, no! Oh. You fell in the water and drowned. You lose a life. You are carrying nothing. Okay. Well, if you... Hey! He's still drunk! What's going on? Oh no, Dizzy! I'm carrying a heavy boulder. Dizzy! Oh, Dizzy! I'm not touching that whiskey. Gotta time this right. 1, 2, 3. No, Dizzy! Why does he keep rolling? What's up here? Okay. Oh, there's a coin. No, Dizzy! No, Dizzy! Why does he keep going? He keeps going, he goes, he goes, he rolls, he rolls, he rolls, They're all the way over here. And then I'll just fall down the hole. Right. I'll do it from there. Hey! Another gold coin! What have I got in the inventory? Piece of rope and a piece of rope. Oh! An Easter egg. Oh, is this a bag of coins? Oh, it's a lever. Okay. Throw the lever to the on, but it breaks. Oh, now I've got to get through that trap door before it crushes me. What are you doing here, Denzel? Don't you know it's dangerous? Hey, stay cool, Diz. I saw the king leave, and I thought I'd check out the castle. He's really cool, this guy, Denzel. But Daisy and I were caught, and I was thrown in the dungeons. Oh, backstory. Daisy's been taken to the wizard's castle. Oh, we wondered where you had gone. I'm too busy to help. Oh, what a... I'm just gonna sit there like, yeah, I'm not gonna help you. I'm way too cool. I don't care about Daisy. I'm leaning on air because there's nothing there to me. I mean, I could be leaning on the chair, but I'm not really touching the chair. I'm just sort of leaning in midair. I'm too lazy to find something to actually lean on. I'm just gonna pretend. Not even listening to me. He's got his headphones on. Denzel's turned up his stereo and is ignoring you. I don't think I like this guy. He's a bit of a douche. Now I'm going to have to time this at the exact right moment, or I shall be executed. Oh! Shell shock! I could do with an extra life now. You could be fooled into thinking it's just a background item because it's just the same colour as the tree and the ground and everything else, but it's definitely going to run at me. Does he ever run? Oh, he does! Oh man. I really did not expect that to happen. I thought he was just going to keep running on the spot. I mean, how long did he need to run on the spot before actually charging me? I'll tell you what, let's time it. That'd be a good thing to do. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, Mississippi! Oh, About 4 to 5 Mississippis. 4 Mississippi, go! Oh! Mississippi 4, Mississippi 5, Mississippi, go! Oh! 4 Mississippi and a half. Oh my! Right, which way do I jump? Left or right? You know that one of the ways I jump is going to end up killing me, isn't it? Let's go right. Well, hey! Oh no, there was no peril there at all. There was no danger at all. I completely exaggerated the peril there. What's this way? Carrying too much? Okay, right, okay. I'll tell you what, I will drop the rope. And pick up the bone. No, Dizzy, no, Dizzy, Dizzy! And then pick up the boulder. And then, okay. That bone should keep him busy. Yeah, bones are good at that. This game cracks me up. I don't trust that birdie. He's sort of flapping, he's sort of hovering above me like he's looking for a tasty treat, and there's that coin there just dangling in front of me like a little carrot. I don't want to just walk over there and get, you know, and end up with egg on my face. I don't know what else to do. Let's spring the trap. There, go. Oh, there he comes! Ah! The Dizzy Hawk swoops down and kills you. Then I should go for it again. That'd be stupid, wouldn't it? I'm stupid. I don't care, I'm stupid. No! No, there's no way you're getting past. No. There is no way you're getting past Dizzy Hawk. If I jump down on that platform, you reckon the chances of me getting back up again? Actually, if I jump, isn't he just gonna and then just miss both sides, isn't he? And he's gonna fall straight down. Maybe I should just walk down. Just walk. Yeah, it's good, it's good. Jump back up. Oh, the rope. I've got the rope. All I've got is a heavy boulder. Push the rock and into the river, and it displaces the water, raising the level. Right, you reckon I can get up there now? Let's see if I can get up there now. No. Right on the edge this time. 1, 2, 3. Hey! I got across the snappy happy gator. Hey, there's the other one. No. Oh, it accidentally. Oh, I'm right on the edge there. Oh. I mean, I am walking on eggshells right now. Where's the boulders? Right, surely. Yes! Come on! Right, go key. Oh, right to the floor. What's going on? Is this a bug or? Let's get going. Oh no. Oh, we're going. Yeah. We're going. It was at this point I started to get some deja vu from the Dragon Ninja video. Only this time it's not a glitch or a faulty cassette tape. The Maniac developers have intentionally done this to me. It's just an invisible maze on a wall background. How in the blue hell am I supposed to see where I'm supposed to jump? It took me an obscene amount of time to escape this invisible maze. So it seemed escaping this may be an apt time to end the video. Maybe I'll do a longer walkthrough video at a later date. If you'd like to see that, let me know in the comments down below. Yes! Come on. Yeah. Woohoo! So, closing thoughts. I still think it's a great game. I still have fun playing it, even though it's still really difficult. But that's just the kind of game it is. The puzzles and that really make you use your noggin to figure them out. I still don't like the jumpy. I always thought that was ridiculous back in the day, and I still think it's really difficult to get him to land where you want him to land and not just keep rolling into oblivion. That's my only gripe with the game. So I give it a thumbs up. I'm not going to do a rating out of 10 or anything like that. I don't think it's necessary unless you want me to do that. If you want me to do that, tell me down in the comments and I'll start doing stuff like that. But for now, I'm just going to say, yay, fun game. And I had fun playing it, and I hope that you had fun watching me dressed as a giant egg playing it. And I'll continue doing more gameplay videos alongside the other stuff that I do on the channel. But for now, it's Commander 64, signing off.